Welcome back to Pro Vida. I recently come back from my first time in Kenya. Whilst in the capital city Nairobi, I stayed at the 4-star Pan Pacific Service Suites. Absolutely stunning apartments, and would highly recommend this place. First, it's located in the Westlands area of Nairobi. This is a good location as it's safe, got great restaurants and bars, and not far from the main attractions. There's not much near the reception, just a bar and a chill out space. Making our way to the apartment, you'll come across this courtyard on the way. Cool little pool bar here, and this beautiful swimming pool. It's a bit too cold to jump in, but looks like it would be nice in the warmer months. They also have a kids pool further down. Let's check out the 1-bedroom suite. So you walk straight into an open plan living space with a decent sized kitchen and comfy sofas. We're up on the 19th floor, so the views all across the apartment were stunning, and they let so much natural light in. We paid around £312 for 2 nights, so it's about £160 a night, 8 quid each. Let's see what else we got. So behind this door, there's some storage space. Then directly opposite that, you actually have your own office. This is actually the 2nd bedroom if you select a 2-bedroom apartment. Then you have the 1st bathroom. Pristine, clean, with Balmain amenities, which was a nice touch, and the most amazing towels. Then finally you have the main bedroom with its own TV and own AC unit. The ensuite was actually bigger than the bathroom. His and her sinks, bathtub and shower, everything you need really. Bed was really comfortable too. Honestly, you'll never get bored of these views. Didn't feel like leaving sometimes, just wanted to watch city life from here. Then finally, on the 3rd floor of one of the buildings, you'll find the gym and the mall. Decent sized gym with lots of cardio machines, and then a few weight machines, and then free weights as well, of course. They also have a spa, which includes a sauna and steam room, but you have to call up an hour before to use this facility. Then finally you've got the mall, with just a few shops in there on the left. Hope you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.